Hello everybody, hope you are well. As Absent here, and today I'll show you how to unlock profile on Facebook. This is pretty simple, so let's start. First of all, open your Facebook app and go to the menu option and you can see your profile. Now click on that. Here you can see a three-dot menu beside edit profile and you can see your locked your profile option. That means the profile is locked. Now click on three-dot menu and click on unlock profile option below view as. Now click on unlock profile and you can see unlock option is the middle option. Now click on that and read the texts. Your setting will return to the way they were before you locked your profile on September 12, 2022. Any privacy setting any privacy setting you changed after locking your profile will stay the same. That means more people may see your photos, posts and stories on your profile. More people may see your full-size profile picture and cover photo. And you can share photos, posts, stories with anyone. So click on unlock your profile option. Yeah, you unlocked your profile. So thank you. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative tips and tricks. Thank you.